Okay, so here's our introduction. Okay, under here we would have our body paragraph one. So this is for like body paragraph one would be, and then body paragraph two. But we're not going to worry about these because those are what we're working on. Okay. Today, what we're focusing on is that intro and conclusion. So to conclude the whole essay, we have yet again. Here is our conclusion. So, in conclusion, looking at the religions, we can see similarities of the afterlife from both religions and the viewpoint of people being good, going to heaven, and bad people going to hell. You can also see similarities in their viewpoints of charity and the fact that though Islam makes charity mandatory, both religion groups can agree on the needs to help those less fortunate. Okay, so the great thing about this is that, well, the kind of thing that I did with this one is, so if we do this blue part, it has our thesis. But if we go ahead and I'm going to go specifically in. So this idea where it says both religions view both good people going to heaven and hell, this one right here, this one is like kind of where it's summarizing our main point, and we can probably put this one in like green. We'll do green. We'll do a dark green. Okay? And then we can also say, oh, well, it's too dark of a green. Let me try a lighter green. Lighter green. There we go. How's that? There we go. And then we could say, and the similarities, in fact, views of charity and the fact, and this is where we're kind of getting here, where we're restating our main points. So this is where I can put this one right here. Okay, so these are restating the main points. This is restating our thesis. And then this is our draw to close. Therefore, and it's kind of answering that question if we go back to right here. So can two different be completely different yet also very similar? So we're answering it. Therefore, looking at an earlier question, I think there is a possibility of both groups being vastly different and yet also very similar. So that's our draw to close. That's our way we're to end our essay. That's the way I'm ending my essay. Hopefully this model helps you in seeing those differences, and you can be able to do that on your own. So make sure that we are restating the thesis, putting some of our main thoughts in there of our body paragraphs, and then making sure that we have a draw to close.